Hi. Yeah.
I realized, gave myself notice or something to call you when I got up to see how you were doing.
Well, it was 1:30 p.m. when I was finally able to get out of bed because I had paracetamol, which allowed me to sleep for the first night in 3 nights. So I needed extra sleep. So it's working. So thank you so much for removing the attack, because I felt instantly the bombardment stopped as soon as you did that. So now it's just embers. You know, the battlefield is still smoldering. So there's still a bit of pain, but that's manageable now. So thank you.
Well, I need to talk to you. You wrote some stuff, and I can't hardly see or read. But
yes, Sweater was saying.
No, not yet.
Okay.
My ranting and raving yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I was enraged all day.
Yeah.
Almost every moment of the day yesterday. And as I was starting to wake up a little bit this morning, on and off, gotta get up every 2-3 hours. I felt something different. It was more of an earthy energy. It's like severely grounding energy, but at the same time, it's power. It's like an elephant putting his foot down.
Mm-hmm.
It's not feeling a thump. It's feeling that energy involved. And I got up, finished getting up this morning. Lily was kind of pushing me to hurry, and I really couldn't move. But everything is just, the word I'm being given is bye-bye. Just stopping. Completing, I'm being told now. But that rage from yesterday actually woke up, started to wake up the part of my body that's asleep because I'm stuck in this body. But this body is so, what's that word I keep forgetting? Not disintegrating.
I know what you mean, yeah.
Yeah,
shutting
coming
down.
apart.
Yeah. When you say body, you're talking about your energy
The
body
physical
as well.
body.
Okay, right.
This physical body is so dematerializing. That's not the right word, but
yeah.
That apparently my anger and the this body coming up decomposing. This body decomposing is it. I see a dragon, huge dragon with a huge chain around it, and it's dragging its front paw that's got the chain on it, and one of the links is almost straight. It's broken and it's opening up. It's almost straight.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm trying, and then I looked myself and I looked at Lily, and her energy is like around me to keep everything calm and smooth, but it's my energy inside from the body part of me of Arae. It's starting to wake up, and it's now I'm getting the word completing. And that's relative to life cycle. It's time to go. But at this point, Lily's keeping things calm around me, and then I'm inside, and I'm starting to just kill the body. I'm getting told it's shutting down. putting to end. Past its time. That part of me is looking at me right now and is just sad to see this. One of my really hard lives was Spartacus, and
Yes.
Spartacus was a cakewalk to this. And the part of me in Trump's putting the whole world on notice.
Yes.
He's putting the whole world on notice, says, frack all of you, screw you and what you want. This is what's going to happen. The way he's waking up the world is nothing. I mean, it can't, it's like a preface. It's like, it's like if someone shows you a feather and they said, okay, when you're sleeping, I'm going to tickle your ear and wake you up. And then comparing that to when someone actually touches you with a feather, it's just a predecessor to what's going to happen. Wrong wording.
No, I understand. Yeah.
A very soft, slight introduction. I'm about to start burning people everywhere. That's it. And Trump's like, I'm taking care of America and screw y'all. Y'all can, the game is over. No more like it used to be. And then I'll come out and then people will be, holy crap. And these assholes are going to be running around, and convicts, the cartels and gangs, and screaming black dragon, black dragon, black dragon. Some of them will be screening it and I'll light them on fire. I don't mean a 20-minute burn. I'm talking about a 2-minute burn.
Yes.
Sometimes it'll be a month. Like that fucking asshole from Microsoft, Gates.